Kami ngayon sa K-Tuck.
Where's mommy and daddy?
Just wait. K-Tuck.
Mommy and daddy.
Coming. Suroy-suroy, mag-dinner. Dinner. Dito kami ngayon sa K-Tuck. Maraming building. Ano. Walking. Hong Kong. Ganda ng Hong Kong, di ba? Kanindot sa Hong Kong, limpyo kaayo.
Dada, what are you doing?
Secret.
What are you doing? I'm
Secret.
carrying.
No. Just a walk. Suroy-suroy mi. Kalimpyo sa Hong Kong. Very nice. Mas limpyo ang Hong Kong kaysa Taiwan. Japan. Wala kayo makitang basura diri. Diba? Nice jud. Sulod mi. Oh, katugnaw. What I'm doing? New Balance. Mga branded na din ito ng...
I see it.
Which one?
There, the red one.
Ah, the red one.
I see it.
Your favorite store?
Yes.
Pizza? Pizza? Wow, Puma. My favorite shoes brand. I like Puma. Nike. Skechers. National Geographic. Store. Window shopping. Skechers. Linis ng Hong Kong. At especially our favorite pizza. Korean pizza. I like it. This is our favorite shop. Very yummy pizza here. The Pizza Maru. Korean pizza chicken. Yeah, this is our favorite shop with pizza. Yeah. My favorite pizza. Ating pinaka the best pizza. We're here again. Pizza
Little box.
and chicken. Very yummy. Favorite namin ito. Gusto namin ito lagi puntahan. Lagi namin pinupuntahan. Walking first because Mommy not yet. Don't go there. Walk. Nagbebenta na sila ng winter. Winter coming. We go out first. Let me see here. Mommy and Daddy not yet. Gala-gala muna kami. Ang ganda kaya dito. Ang linis. Ang linis. Ito yung pinaka-the best ko talaga. Oh, don't get inside. Puma. May pumang pangba. We go first outside. Mommy and Daddy not yet come. Okay? We just walk around. Walk first. Oh, still close. Parking. Oh no, still close. Andito na lahat yung ano, kung yung anong gusto mo. Restaurant, foods, drinks, ice cream, shopping, mga brand. Gusto mong mga brand, andito na lahat.
Pizza!
Yeah, we're gonna go eat pizza, our favorite shop. Right? Yeah. Favorite pizza. Mas yummy pa siya sa Pizza Hut. Hold my hand. Antay namin yung ano. Dami namin nauubos. Just wait. They are coming. They are coming. We're gonna wait with Mommy and Daddy here, okay? A Pizza Mario, our favorite shop. Don't go there, come inside. Sale. Yeah. Come here.